Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem where your Lyft app is not working properly on your iPhone or iPad. So if it's crashing, loading endlessly, or not responding, I'll guide you step by step on how to solve it easily. First, make sure you carefully follow all the settings. I'm going to show you in this video to fix the issue. Simply go to the settings of your iPhone and ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that your VPN is not connected. If it is, just disconnect it. Next, go to the General section. Then tap on Software Update, and make sure your device is running the latest iOS version. After that, scroll down and find the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on it, and then choose Reset Network Settings to refresh your connections. Once done, go back again to General, then open iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Lyft app. Tap on it and select Offload app to remove temporary files. Then reinstall it directly from that menu. If the issue still isn't fixed, simply uninstall the Lyft app completely and reinstall it again from the App Store. Just open the App Store, search for Lyft, and download it again. That's it for today's video. I hope this helps you fix the Lyft app not working problem on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in another video.